Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mamus Ate, a bridal makeup artist and a YouTuber based in Warri, Delta State, Nigeria. If you want to see how I achieve this glamorous, gorgeous, beautiful bridal look, then keep watching to the end. You are definitely welcome back. I started off by fixing a cosmetic lens, and then I went in with my setting mist to make sure that the skin is properly hydrated, and then I'm moving on to my moisturizer. And for my bride, I am really heavy on the moisturizer. You can see how her skin is glowing. And then I further went in to apply my under eye cream. You know, bridal makeup and makeup that should last all day without cracking, breaking and creasing. So this step is very important, especially for brides. Next, make sure for every product you apply on the face, you are using a mini fan to dry it before moving to the next step. Moving on to my glow oil. Of applying the glow oil directly on the skin on our face, glow oil serum, instead of applying it or mixing it with a foundation. I love to apply on the surface of the skin. It helps me to blend it properly. This also helps to prepare your skin, especially if you are going for a dewy bridal makeup. Moving on to my setting primer spray, which is the Hydro Grip Milk. This baby right here is one of the best setting spray you can ever think of using. And then I'm going in with these two foundations from the Huda Beauty, and I'll be mixing it with the L'Oreal True Match foundation. See how this is properly blended. You can see from her face to her neck to her ear line is properly well blended. I am always a fan of mixing 2 or 3 shades of foundation, and then I went in with my contour brush to further use L'Oreal foundation. Remember, one of the best tips to achieving a long-lasting makeup is blend. Keep blending, just keep blending. And this is another reason why bridal makeup takes time. I don't want this video to be too long, so I actually cut off some parts. For the concealer, I used the Kevin O'Con concealer and the Tarte concealer mixed together. I'll be dropping all the products on the description box below. Please do well to check it out. Remember, the key to a flawless glam is blend it out. Take your time to blend it out. I use the essences in the beauty blender to just blend under the zygomatic bone to uplift our facial structure. Then again, remember to set before you bake. It helps all the products to sit properly on the skin. I'm applying a warm shade of powder on all the areas that were contoured. It's officially baking time, so I am going to apply a setting powder, and I'm using the Laura Mercier powder. I love the filter effect of that powder. On to the brows. You need to brush out, comb out all the powder products that are in the brows, and then probably use a brow tamer before going in with my brow gel pomade from the one and only Edgar and Esther, and I'll be using this Mirac cosmetic brush. So I started off by outlining under the brows and then went upwards to also outline top of the brows. For my setting mist, I'm going in with this new addiction of mine, So Pro. It's a Nigerian brand, and I'm so impressed of how Nigerian brand keep getting better and better by the day. Man, this setting spray actually lock the entire glam for the whole day, just as the name seal it. Builds the whole makeup, and you can see how it takes off all the powder effects of how radiant our skin is looking, well blended. Hey my loves, I hope you enjoyed every detail of this beautiful glamorous bridal look. Please remember to subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this video, comment down below what kind of bridal look you want to see. We switched to Gele, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you in my next video. Until then, stay blessed, be happy, remain positive, smile often, and bye guys.